Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we will learn how to make these elegant pearl hoop earrings. They're very easy to make. So let's get started. Firstly, you need a pearl chain. Now cut them in the increasing order ranging from 1 to 4. And cut them in a pair of one single pearl, a pair of 2 pearls, a pair of 3 pearl chain and a single 4 pearl chain. This is how you need to arrange them. You need few pearl beads, the pearl chains you just made and few pins. Now take the pin and twist the end with the plier. Now insert one pearl into it and the pearl chain into it. Close the end with the plier again. Repeat this for the rest of them as well. After you're done, cut off the excess pin. And all you're left is with the pearl chain attached to the pearl. Do it for all of them. This is how they look. After you're done, take a hoop and bend the end straight with the plier to insert the beads into it. Now insert 2 gold beads into it. Then insert a pearl into it. Now start inserting your pearl chains in increasing order. 1 step pearl first, 2 step pearl next, 3 step pearl, then 4th step pearl. and then start them increasing in the decreasing order. 3-step purl, next 2-step purl, and 1-step purl. And then a single pearl. Lastly, finish it off by adding 2 gold beads in the end. And bend the end of the hoop to its original position using the plier. That's it, you're done. They look so beautiful and don't require much hard work to do. They are my personal favorite earrings for sure. I totally love them. If you do it, do watch my other videos as well. I make a lot of DIY videos. All you have to do is click that subscribe button to be a part of the family. I'm sure you will do that. Bye bye guys. Happy crafting.